it is given a time to think for the inner self. I think this is a new concept because most of the meditation and most of the spiritual leaders have been saying that Om is a word which really can sort of focus your mind on the inner self. It is like the computer. Now, computer, when it gets tired, it hangs. Similarly, the brain, when it gets tired, you feel drowsy and sleepy. So therefore, I think to meditate and meditate effectively is a format which Swamiji has the form of Anapanashata, have I corrected? Is the form of meditation, is something which everyone and anyone can do. He doesn't have to go to any temple. He doesn't have to go anywhere. In his own home. And it is simple. I think I asked Shreyans that if I want to come and learn, how long will it take? He says 2 days and few hours. I have done my course of Art of Living also with Sri Ravi Shankar Maharaj. And I have done I have done transcendental meditation also of Maharishi Mahesh Yogi. It helps. I don't know why, but I have been delving into these spiritual activities or different forms of meditation. But I think what I see here is quite different. And therefore, I have gladly accepted what Shreyans has offered. And whenever Brahma Rishiji tells me, I will spend 2 days here to learn this form of meditation. With that, I would like to conclude because I would also like to say that in a country like India, where there are so many forms of yoga, dhyan, pranayama, I'm told there are 52 different forms of pranayams. So therefore, I think all this needs to be brought into the public domain, and the very fact that people all over the world have this knowledge in some form or the other, what is most important is to bring them all together on a platform so that this knowledge can be disseminated to the people, the common people in the world, is the real service to the humanity. And I'm very happy to note that this is what this organization is doing, and with my full compliments and my best wishes to the Pyramid Spiritual Societies movement, my greetings and my best wishes to you all. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. We inaugurate this 3-day wonderful conference, Quantum Energy Medicine, with the Ashirwad of all the masters here. And thank you very much, sir, Swamiji. And just 2 minutes meditation to start. Close your eyes, hands into hands, fingers into fingers. कृपया कोई भी आंखें न खोलें, चश्मे निकाल लीजिए, remove your specs. Just 2 minutes meditation. I will sing a song and play a flute. हम सब यूं तो भगवान हैं, परंतु भाग्यवान बनने के लिए ध्यान की सख्त ज़रूरत है. We are all gods, but to be gods, we need a lot of meditation. And meditation is so very simple. Just close your eyes and become one with your breath. For 2 minutes, we are going to do meditation, my dear friends. Meditation means making the mind empty. Yogaha chitta vritti nirodhaha. Yoga means making the mind empty. It has got nothing to do with the physical body. Atoms or molecules or spine or heart or lungs, no way. We are pure consciousness. We are pure quantum consciousness. We are pure quantum energy. We use our own energy to heal our body by going into meditation, by accessing all the cosmic energies. ना ही कोई सोच ना ही कोई विचार। सांस के हो जावे, ध्यानी बन जावे। सांस को अपनावे, योगी बन जावे। मन की शांति, तन की स्वस्थता, खुशियों को पाले वे, ध्यानी बन जावे। छोड़ दे पूजा, कोई न दूजा, आत्मदृष्ट बन जावे, ध्यानी बन जावे। कर्म कर्म में धर्म, पल पल में आनंद, आनंद ले ले वे, ध्यानी बन जावे। श्वास की प्रेक्षा, ध्यान की दीक्षा, ध्यान दीक्षा ले ले वे, ध्यानी बन जावे। तन मन बाहर, दशम द्वार जाहिर, तन मन बाहर, दशम द्वार जाहिर, ब्रह्म कमल खिल जावे, ध्यानी बन जावे। सांस के हो जावे, देह रथ जानो, देही रथिक पहचानो। देह रथ जानो, देही रथिक पहचानो। आत्मज्ञान पाले वे, ध्यानी बन जावे। जन्म जन्मों के राही, जन्मों से छुटकारा, जन्म जन्मों के राही, जन्मों से छुटकारा। आत्मा मोक्ष पाले वे, ध्यानी बन जावे। छह कमलों के ऊपर सत्यलोक पहचानो। छह कमलों के ऊपर सत्यलोक पहचानो। आत्म सत्य पाले वे, ध्यानी बन जावे। सब प्राणी सुंदर, हम भी सुंदर। सब प्राणी सुंदर, हम भी सुंदर। सुंदरता जी ले वे, ध्यानी बन जावे। सांस के हो जावे। Just 1 minute more, my dear friends. Become one with your breath. This is quantum energy medicine. Meditation is quantum energy medicine. Another minute of becoming one with your breath. पवन पुत्र बने, वायु पुत्र बने, तो हम सब बजरंग बली बने। ये जो सनातन धर्म है, सनातन ध्यान को सिखाती है। कृपया कोई भी आंखें न खोले, केवल 1 मिनट। ना ही कोई सोच, ना ही कोई विचार। उच्छ्वास निश्वास के साथ एक हो जाएंगे तो सब कुछ हम पा जाएंगे। जो जो हम चाहते हैं अपने ही मुंह मांगे दाम में. Becoming one with your breath, my dear friends, you get whatever you want from your own self, from your own grand cosmic self. You draw all the energies to heal whatever you want. Quantum energy medicine boils down to the single word called as meditation. Becoming one with your breath is the way for meditation. इसे सुखमय प्राणायाम कहते हैं. गौतम बुद्ध ने इसे आनापानसति कह चुके हैं. We salute the great master, the great Gautama Buddha, who gave the quantum energy medicine to the whole world. He is not the only one. Millions and millions of saints have given quantum energy medicine to the whole world. We are one more addition, that's all. Just becoming one with your breath, you go into quantum energy healing, quantum energy medicine. Your breath is the way. ना ही कोई सोच, ना ही कोई विचार, कोई मंत्र वंत्र नहीं है. कृपया अपने ही सांसों के साथ एक हो जावें. योग यानी मिलन, अपने आप से मिलन, अपने सांसों से मिलन. जो मिल चुके हैं ज्ञानी कहलाते हैं. 1 मिनट. Thank you very much. You may open your eyes.
Thank you. I request Don Perez and Ilona Silky to kindly come up on the stage and help us felicitate our dignitary, Mr. Digvijay Singh Ji.
Sri Don Perez is our greatest spiritual scientist, great dear to our Pyramid Spiritual Society movement. Give a big clap to him. And I want him to present me one gift.
I have a present for my good friend, Sri Patri. And I want to tell you what it is before I put it on him. This is a beautiful pendant, but inside of it, it has a frequency generator that produces bio-friendly frequencies. So when these frequencies are in our aura, it protects us from the Wi-Fi and the cell phones and some of these microwave energies that have been brought into our environment in the last 20 to 30 years that our bodies don't really know what to do with those frequencies. So these frequencies are from the earth, like the Schumann resonance frequency and how lightning bursts and sends off a burst of frequencies. And one of the things that we put inside of here, which is really special, this comes from Bali, Indonesia. And it's also a Hindu culture. And before they build the temples in Bali, they put down 5 specific metals: gold, silver, copper, bronze, and one other one. I can't think of it right now. And they do a special ceremony. It's called Panche Datu. And I think they do that here in India as well. And it creates an energy vortex by blessing these 5 elements. It creates an energy vortex which holds the frequency for the temple. And so each one of these, we call it the chi organizer, to organize your chi energy. And each one of these chi organizers are blessed by the Bali priest with the Panche Datu ceremony before it is sent out into the world. And I would like to present this now to my good friend and spiritual teacher, Sri Patruji.